Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So let's move to the next section today. Integration by substitution or change of variable method. So this is type number 6. Okay, so here we are going to learn 5 formulas. That is, often we won't use this, but you need to learn this. So integration of, all of you take down this 5 formulas to your class or notes also. Okay, that is integral of f of x the whole power n, f dash of x dx is equal to modulus of f of x the whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, that next one is integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of modulus of f of x plus c. Then integral of f dash of x divided by square root of f of x dx is equal to 2 into square root of f of x plus c. Then fourth one is integral of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. Then finally integral of e power ax into ax into a f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power ax f of x plus c. Okay, you will feel somewhat difficult when you are learning this. So again and again please write down and learn. Okay, here is this fourth formula we will use often. Okay, so fourth formula is very important. So learn the fourth formula thoroughly. That is integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So f of x means there is a function. So it may be in the place of f of x 1 by x is there, then in the place of f dash of x minus 1 by x square is there, means we will use this formula. How? F of x value 1 by x, the differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So this formula you will use. Okay, so often we will use the fourth formula. Okay, so please give importance to formula number 4 and learn that. All of you take down these 5 formulas to your classworks also. Okay, let's move to the example question. Example 2.30. Okay. Question is, evaluate integral of x by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so we can't integrate directly. For that we can take as f of x or f dash of x the same as in your book. So I am following by z. Okay, so that will be very easy. So denominator I am going to consider as z. So this one, what's the method type? First itself I said integration by substitution. So substitution means what? We will integrate by using substitution. Okay, here I substituted in the place of z as denominator value x square plus 1. Understand? So what's the thing? Integration by substitution. Okay, or change of variable. So here we are going to convert the denominator value x square plus 1 as z. Okay, so z is equal to x square plus 1. So from here if I am finding dz, what's the differentiation? 2x dx. Is it right? This is a constant. So 2x dx. Then from there if we need dz by 2 means you will get x dx value. You will have a doubt, why ma'am this one you are taking as dz, then you are taking dz by 2. Okay, the numerator x dx is there, so we need to change all by in the form of z. So denominator already I took as z, is it right? So numerator also I want to change it in the form of z, then only you can integrate. So because of that numerator x dx value also I have found it. Understand? Now you can substitute here. That is integral of x by x square plus 1 dx is equal to, in the place of x dx what you need to substitute? dz by 2 divided by x square plus 1 what you need to substitute? z. Okay, so what you will get then? That is equal to 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there, so 1 by 2 is a constant, you can take outside. So what's the balance? dz by dz. What is the integration of dz by dz? z you have learned already, that is 1 by 2 into log of mod z by c. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log of, what is mod z value? Mod of z, what's the value of z? You can substitute x square plus 1 plus c. Have you got it? Very easy. Okay, shall I repeat it again? So first one is evaluate integral of x by x square plus 1 dx. So denominator value z is equal to x square plus 1. So if you are differentiating, what will you get? dz is equal to 2x dx. From that, if I am finding x dx value, dz by 2. For what purpose we are changing? You need to change all by using by in the terms of z. Because of that, you need to change it here. So 1 by 2 into integral of dz by z. So what is the integration of dz by z? Log of mod z plus c. Okay, so in the place of z, you need to substitute the value. Okay, thorough? Okay, let's move to the next question. Example 2.31. The question is evaluate integral of x by square root of x square plus 1 dx. So this question is integral of x by square root of x plus square plus 1 dx. Okay. So solution, here also we need to use by integration of in substitution. So integration by substitution. Let us consider z value as x square plus 1, denominator inside the square root x square plus 1 is there. So you can take that value alone, x square plus 1. Now find dz, how much you will get? 2x dx. From that, if you need x dx value, what is the value you will get? dz by 2. So numerator you need to change it in the form of dz. So I changed. Okay. Now you can apply here x by square root of x square plus 1 dx is equal to integral of, in the place of x dx, what you need to substitute? dz by 2 divided by square root of z. Correct? Now you can take the constant 1 by 2 outside. So what's the balance? dz by square root of z. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of, shall I bring this square root of z means what's the meaning? Z power 1 by 2. So if you are bringing to the numerator, what will happen? Z power minus 1 by 2 dz. So already in first section you have learned x power n, integral of x power n dx is equal to, what's the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So you can apply that formula here. So what is the value? You get 1 by 2 z power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, plus c. That is equal to, what's the value? 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 plus 2, correct? Divided by 2, same as in denominator, minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2 plus c. So that's equal to 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 by 2 divided, sorry, plus 1 by 2, correct? Power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, if we are bringing this to the numerator, what will happen? 1 by 2 into reciprocal 2 by 1 into z power 1 by 2 plus c. So this and this will get cancelled. So what's the value for z? You can apply the z value here. X square plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 plus c. So 1 by 2 you can write it in square root also is. So square root of x square plus 1 plus c. This is a required answer. Have you got it? Very easy. Okay, go through. Next problem. Evaluate integral of x into x square plus 1 dx. Okay, so how will you do this? Solution. First you need to take anything as z. Is it right? So shall I take the square root inside value as z? So let z is equal to x square plus 1. Okay, so what will happen? dz is equal to 2x dx. From that, dz by 2 means x dx. Okay, so shall we substitute there? Integral of x into square root of x square plus 1 dx is equal to integral of x dx, in the place of x dx, dz by 2. Okay, this one already 1 z is there. Okay, so what is common? 1 by 2 is common. So what's the balance? Square root of z into dz. That's equal to 1 by 2 into square root of z. How will you write ma? Z power 1 by 2 dz. So what's the normal formula for x power n dx? Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Shall we apply? So 1 by 2 into z power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So what's the value? 1 by 2 into z power 3 by 2. Correct? Divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So that's equal to 1 by 2 into, take it as reciprocal, 2 by 3 into z power 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 by 3 into z value. You can substitute. That is x square plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay, feeling very easy. Okay, here till now we not used the formula. Okay, so when if you are using the formula, you feel somewhat difficult. So this one is very easy for you. Okay, so you can follow this method. So if there is a way to use the formula, we'll use the formula. Okay, let's move to the next question. Example 2.3. Evaluate integration of x cube divided by x square plus 1 the whole cube dx. So what will you substitute here? Solution. Let z is equal to x square plus 1. So what will happen? dz is equal to 2x dx. So next what will we do? We need x dx, is it right? So x dx means dz by 2 equal to x dx. Okay, now here we need to rewrite something, that is x cube divided by x square plus 1 the whole cube. Correct? So here we need the value, we know the value for x dx, but numerator x cube dx is there. So we need to split like this, that is x into x square divided by x square plus 1 the whole cube into dx. Okay, so from here you can find the x square value. If you need the x square value, what will happen? This will go that side. So what will you get? Z minus 1. You can substitute that value here. Okay, now substitute all the value in the place of x dx, dz by 2. So dz by 2 in the place of x square, what you need to substitute? Z minus 1 divided by this value z. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 2 is common, sorry, constant, you can take outside. So what's the balance? Z minus 1 divided by z cube into dz. Okay, now we are going to use partial fraction there. Okay, using partial fraction. Going to use partial fraction. You know how we will use the partial fraction, is it right? How we will split by using the partial, sorry, here apart from that you can do, okay, that is we can split it and do. So 1 by 2 into, shall we split as 2? Z by z cube minus integral of 1 by z cube dz, here also dz. So this and this will get cancelled here also. So what's the balance? 1 by 2 into integral of dz, is it right? Z, sorry, 1 by z square into dz minus 1 by z cube into dz. I not used partial fraction, I just split it. That's equal to this 1 by 2 is common for both. So 1 by 2 into, bring this to the numerator. So what will happen? Z power minus 2 dz minus z power minus 3 dz. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 2 into, apply the formula, z power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 minus z power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. That's equal to 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus z power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Okay, so now you can multiply with that 1 by 2 here. Okay, I'm writing here. So 1 by 2 into, that is z power minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus into minus, again here will be plus. So z power minus 2 divided by 4 plus c. So plus term you can bring first. So z power minus 2 divided by 4 minus z power minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus c. So this one you can bring down as, so 1 by z square into 4 minus 1 by z into 2 plus c. What's the z value? You can substitute here, x square plus 1. So 4 into x square plus 1 the whole square minus 1 by x square plus 1 into 2 plus c. So this is a required answer. Got it? So it will be very easy for you. So here what I did, here I brought all the terms to the numerator. That's the difference. So x z is equal to x square plus 1 you need to consider. So x square is equal to z minus 1. dz is equal to 2x dx. So dz by 2 from there. Then I substituted all the value and I split the integration as 2 parts. Okay, then I integrated separately. Afterwards keep it in mind, 1 by 2 is an outside, so you need to bring inside. Plus term first, subtraction symbol next. Okay, got it? I hope you got good idea. Let's move to the next problem. Example 2.34. Evaluate integral of dx by x into x cube plus 1. Okay. Solution. First what will you do? Let z is equal to x cube plus 1. Okay. From that if you need x cube value, what will happen? Z minus 1. So dz, what will you get from here? 3x square dx. From that if you need x square dx value, how much you will get? dz by 3. Okay. But here you keep it in mind, here in the numerator only dx is there, but here you know the value for x square dx. So we need to find the x square dx value. So for that I am multiplying x square both numerator and denominator. What I did, I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by x square. So dx by x into x cube plus 1. I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by x square. So x square dx divided by x into x square, x cube plus 1. Okay, that's equal to, now you can substitute all the values. Okay, now what will happen? So multiply, that is x square dx divided by x cube into x cube plus 1. So all the values you know, you can substitute. So x square dx in that place, dz by 3 divided by x cube z minus 1. X cube plus 1 means z. What's the constant? 1 by 3. So what's the balance? dz by z into z minus 1. Okay. Now in this problem there is no other way, we need to use partial fraction, that is 1 by z into z minus 1 dz. Shall we split this? Okay, take it as equation number 1 and split it as 1 by z into z minus 1. How we will consider? A by z plus b by z minus 1. So okay, what will you do? 1 is equal to a into z minus 1 plus b into z. This all the things you know already, because of that I am moving further. So put z is equal to how much? 1. So what will happen? 1 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1. So b equal to 1. Okay. Then next what will you do? You need to put for z as 0. 0 equal to, that is a into 0 minus 1 plus b into 0. So a equal to minus 1. Now substitute in equation number 1. What will happen? Equal to 1 by 3 into minus 1 by z plus b value 1 by z minus 1 dz. Okay. Now you can separate 1 by 3 into integral of minus 1 by z dz. 1 by 3 is common plus 1 by z minus 1 into dz. That's equal to 1 by 3 into, shall we write this as plus term first? So integral of 1 by z minus 1 dz minus integral of 1 by z dz. So that's equal to 1 by 3 into this one. What's the integration? Log of mod z minus 1 minus log of mod z plus c. Okay, that's equal to 1 by 3 into log a minus log b. What's the formula? Log a by b, is it right? So before you are substituting, you can substitute the z value. So what's the z value here? X cubed plus 1 minus 1 minus log of modulus of x cube plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this and this will get cancelled. So what's the value? 1 by 3 into log of mod x cube minus log of mod of x cube plus 1 plus c. What's the formula for log a minus b? Log a by b. 1 by 3 into log of mod x cube divided by mod of x cube plus 1. This is the required answer. I hope you got good idea. Shall I repeat it again? Okay. So let z is equal to x cube plus 1. That is, I consider denominator bracket value as z is equal to x cube plus 1. From that, what is the x cube value? Z minus 1. Okay, then dz is equal to then dz by 3. Okay, so next integral of dx by x into x cube plus 1. Okay, now I splitted that I need x square dx value. For that I multiply both numerator and denominator by x square. So if you are multiplying both numerator and denominator by x square, so what will happen? X square into dx divided by x into x square, that is x cube. So numerator in the place of x square dx, you can substitute the value as dz by 3 and all the values. Now here there are two linear factors, so you need to use partial fraction and find the AB value and substitute there. Okay. Afterwards 1 by z minus 1 log of mod z minus 1. 1 by z means log of modulus of x cube plus 1 plus c. Okay. So 1 by 3 into log of modulus of x cube plus 1 minus 1. Z value I substituted minus log of modulus of x cube plus 1 plus c. Then 1 by 3 into log of modulus of x cube minus log of modulus of x cube plus 1 plus c. So log of a minus b formula. Okay, that is log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Okay, okay children. Okay, one more question we can complete today. So example 2.35. Example 2.35. X cube into e power x square dx. Okay. Solution. Let us consider let z is equal to x square. Okay. So dz means how much we get? 2x dx. From that x dx, what's the value? Dz by 2. So x cube dx you need to split as x into x square into e power x square dx. That's equal to integral of dz by 2 into x square, is it right? Z into e power z. Just I substituted the value 1 by 2 into what's the value? Z into e power z dz. Now here we are going to use isolate. Okay, isolate. What is u? U equal to z, dv equal to e power z. So what's the integration of this one? D. Differentiation, v is equal to e power z. Now substitute here 1 by 2 into integral of z e power z, is it right? Z e power z minus integral of e power z dz using the formula integral u dv equal to uv minus integral of v du. That's equal to 1 by 2 into z e power z minus integral of e power z is e power z plus c. That's equal to 1 by 2 into e power z. You can take common. So z minus 1 plus c. That's equal to 1 by 2 into e power z means e power x square minus 1 plus c. That's answer. Okay. Have you got it? I hope you got good idea. This one very easy. Okay. All of you take down your books. Take exercise problems. There are many problems are there. So better you can try first question today. Okay. Better you can try first question today. It will be very easy for you. You can try the first problem and 12th problem today. Okay. Will you do? First and 12th problem is your homework for you. 1 and 12. Okay. I will meet you in the next class, students. Learn thoroughly. Learn all the formulas. Take everything to your classwork. We'll start from example 2.36 in the next class. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Be safe.